Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be looking at an aquatic plant called as water poppy. It's a blooming plant, perfect for water gardening. So let's take a look at its bloom and hope you like the video. Water plants are a delight for any gardener to introduce into their space. They do grow very fast, they have very unique flowers, and they bring a certain positive vibe to your space. So here we are seeing a slow motion video of how beautiful a water poppy flower can be. They are very delicate and delightful flowers. They are a must have in any plant lover's collection. So it's a very easily growable plant, and they require general conditions for most other aquatic plants like full sunlight, marshy land with some water on top. And here I am growing them in a plastic tub in my terrace garden. The tub is fairly large. The reason for it being large is that they are very vigorous plants and they need a lot of space to cluster up and then start blooming. As any other water plant, they do grow very fastly, and you should be very strict on your regime in cleaning and maintaining the pond or the setup. They require around 2 to 3 inches of water above the soil level for the leaves to come and float on top of the water. The flowers emerge above the water level and they last for just a day. That's the only sad part about this plant. The flowers have very short life, there's just a day. But no worries, they do flower frequently throughout the year. If you live in a temperate zone, then I would suggest giving them extra care during the winter season, as they don't take cold well. They are tropical plants. Another awesome thing about this plant is the beautiful leaves they produce. Dark green emerald leaves which are leathery in texture. This also is an added advantage because they form mats of green surface on the top of water, and this beautiful light yellow blooms come up. It's such a contrasting element, the yellow and the green. This is also why it is preferred in most landscaping projects, because they have that going for them, that contrast. It draws your eyes towards this plant because of the contrast. It's very easy to grow. Just keep your plant in full sun. See, you can see the flower size with comparison to my hand. Pretty decent sized flowers, very catchy also. If they bloom in huge quantities, they are really breathtaking views. It's really good for bog gardens, pond and such aquatic landscaping. It's also recommended to grow fishes like guppies or something to control the mosquito larvae that might form in such aquatic gardens. What else? They do need a very marshy soil, so try to make your soil in such a way that the content of clay is very high. I fertilize my plant monthly once. They do have a tendency to use up fertilizers very fast and are very vigorous growers, so I fertilize them once a month with a water soluble fertilizer. I would not recommend normal compost or other solid food because they tend to float in the water and make the water totally murky. So it's better to go for soluble liquid fertilizers that you can mix into the water body of this particular plant. I don't experience much diseases with this plant other than the very common mealybugs. Once you see mealybugs, usual treatment methods like soap water or high powered spray of water to just dislodge them from the plant works. This is generally what I can tell about this plant. Consider having one in your collection. They are really worthy. And one thing you have to always keep in mind is you have to always clean the plant and keep clearing old growth from the plant so that new growth has space to grow. So hope you guys like the video. Consider subscribing to the channel if you like my content. I thank all of you for the support you're showing. I'm expecting comments and recommendations from your side. So once again, thanks for watching.